Hi everyone. Ever read something brilliant, but a week later you can't remember how it connects to everything else that you've read? I built Glyph to solve exactly this problem. I go in here into the extension, and instead of bookmarking each article, I just click Capture Insights. Glyph is a Chrome extension that helps to organize your personal reading history into organized, structured knowledge insights. It's 100% private because it entirely lives in your browser. It's powered by Chrome's built-in AI. Here, we can see the articles that I click through all come in and the key entities being highlighted. If I go into settings, you can see that I've set a couple of topics of interest. And the relationship discovery, I can restrict it to my topics or all of the key entities that are being discovered. I can go into insights and see new entities come in. I can discover more connections. I can see some information about the entities that I'm being interested in as well. You can see that relationships are formed across different articles. There's a timeline graph. The relationships basically represent different entities, how they connect to each other, how they connect between each other, and what these relationships mean. Chrome is also able to provide these APIs in order to ask more meaningful questions, exploring the connections between all the different entities in those articles. So you can see here, this is a simple query about the entity itself. And this is a follow-on query generated by Chrome on further research someone would want to do with those entities. Some of these queries you can run directly within that Chrome API, but that's just asking questions about the entities and how they relate to each other. This is a feature that is bound to evolve and scale as Chrome AI scales as well. You can see that there are certain shared entities. This is primarily forming connections between what you've read and the other articles as well. You can discover more connections by clicking through into insights. And lastly, I can synthesize all of the learning for this week, essentially giving you an idea of how your learning journey has been for that week. You can take a look back at the previous weeks as well. So all of this is self-contained within Chrome because of Chrome AI and all of the models behind it, including Gemini Nano. I made Glyph available on GitHub for you to try it out. Glyph helps curate your learning to see how ideas connect. And if you're someone who learns by reading, whether you're researching, practicing law, analyzing markets, or just trying to make sense of complex topics, Glyph is here to help you see the bigger picture. Thank you.